Welcome dear friends. Today's topic is isotopic tracer technique. In part 1 we learn about the types of isotopes. There are two types of isotopes. First one is radioactive isotopes which emit alpha, beta, gamma type of particles. So they are known as radioactive isotopes. Another one is stable isotopes. These isotopes do not emit any kind of radiation, so they are known as stable isotopes. Tracer techniques are the techniques which is used to discover or which is used to identify or which is used to trace what are the pathways, what are the compound, etc. What is the fate of the compound, etc. So they are known as tracer. Tracer in Hindi it is called as ढूंढ के निकालना. सपोज एंटी करप्शन वाले आपको पता है, एंटी करप्शन वालों को अगर ढूंढ के निकालना है कि कौन भ्रष्टाचार करता है तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो एक नोटों का जो बंडल रहता है उसके ऊपर जो है एक लिक्विड लगा देते हैं. फिर जिस पर्सन के ऊपर डाउट रहता है उनको, ठीक है, उस पर्सन के पास में वो बंडल अगर मिल जाता है, ठीक है, तो उसके हाथों में वो लिक्विड लग जाता है, ठीक है, और जैसे ही वो उस लिक्विड के ऊपर नील हाइड्रीन वगैरह स्प्रे करते हैं तो वो कलर वहां पे डेवलप हो जाता है. दैट मीन्स द पर्सन इज करप्टेड. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से जिस तरीके से ट्रेस किया जाता है कि भाई कौन सा पर्सन जो है वो भ्रष्टाचारी है या नहीं है, ठीक है, तो उसी तरीके से हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि कौन सा कंपाउंड एक्चुअल में वहां पे प्रेजेंट है या कौन सा कंपाउंड उस पाथवे के अंदर नया बन रहा है या क्या. तो इसको हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ tracer techniques. The radioactive tracers or radioactive label compounds are those compounds which are purposefully developed. That means one or more atoms of the chemical compound is replaced by radioisotopes. For example, here is acetic acid. You all know that the chemical formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. If we replace this carbon, which is normal carbon 12, with carbon 15, which is radioactive, then such acetic acid is known as radioactive acetic acid. Another example is alanine. It is a structure of alanine, and here you find that this carbon, which is actually normal carbon, that get replaced by radioactive isotopic carbon, that is C15. We can replace nitrogen as well with the help of radioactive isotopes. Then such compounds are known as radioactive tracers or radioactive labeled compound. This compound is used to find out various pathways, various processes and various products. Here is one example. Suppose you all know the reaction of photosynthesis. In that we know that 6CO2 plus 6H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it is converted into C6H12O6 and 6O2. This oxygen, molecular oxygen liberation, it's thought that it comes from carbon dioxide. Here is the presence of oxygen. So scientists before investigation thought that the oxygen, that is O2, molecular oxygen, comes from CO2. But when they go with the tracer technique, they radio labeled the water's molecule oxygen atom with radioactive molecule, that is oxygen 18. Then this water molecule become radioactive, and when they perform the photosynthesis on this radioactive water molecule, they found that the oxygen is also having the radioactivity. So molecular oxygen comes from water. This will be proved, and it do not comes from carbon dioxide. This is disproved. So from this experiment we can easily identify with the help of radioactive tracer technique or isotopic tracer technique how the water molecules are responsible for production of molecular oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. With this, thank you all.